All right, this is just a short video, kind of a preview. I haven't got everything together to make a real video of how this construction is going, but that right there, that's the treadle. And I think the maximum amount of travel I'm going to have on that thing is probably about 12 to 14 inches. And that's going to be cut in half due to the use of these pulleys. There'll be a chain that comes around that and shortens that distance, the pull distance, by half, but increasing my power by 2. In any case, this is the setup for the hammer. So this is the hammer down here, and that is the stationary mechanism that will be set up to recoil the hammer. And again, the travel of this hammer is only going to be, 6 inches. So it's short distance, fairly high force, I guess. And this is what I envision doing, is taking a plate, sticking it across here, putting a bolt in or whatever, a pin, to give that cable something to run on. That cable runs up and around the pulley, and then the tension will be supplied by that spring. So let me get a couple measurements here. So the total wheel-to-wheel distance is going to be about, inside to inside, about 27 and a quarter inches. Now if that spring is too big, I've got a shorter one here that we may have to use. I don't know how all that stuff works out. Somehow we'll have to put a bearing on that end, and then I will mount that to this solid brace across here using some kind of bracket I'll weld up here to hold that. I'm not sure how exactly that goes, but there's not a lot of space in there to make much bracketry, but I can extend that bracketry beyond these rails, and the outside of the rails is going to be 27 inches. So outside of that I'll probably have another 1/4 inch, so that'd be 27 and a half, plus whatever throw this bolt gives me, so maybe up to 28 inches. The little bar I got through there is a little stainless steel bar. It's a little short, but I just set it in there for demonstration purposes. I don't want to get it too far away from the rails, because this rail will, help absorb any impact that cable might have when it, or if it comes undone. And we'll talk about more of those design kind of considerations later. But wanted to throw something out there quick for you to take a look at it and let me know your thoughts. Thanks.